If you're looking for information on the InfluencerSoft Lifetime Deal and InfluencerSoft Review, you've come to the right place. The InfluencerSoft Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the InfluencerSoft Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the InfluencerSoft Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. You didn't get into business just to stress about your marketing, but building, testing, and tweaking your funnels to make sure they convert is a tall order, especially when you don't have a marketing background. Put the fun back in funnels with a complete marketing and sales funnel software that works for you, giving you more time to do all the other important stuff in your day. Meet InfluencerSoft. Get an engine that automatically drives your marketing plan. Design and launch marketing funnels with conversion-proven templates, including promo, follow-up, and email nurture sequences. Create an e-commerce platform with single price points, payment plans, referral programs, and more. InfluencerSoft provides all the funnel building tools influencers and entrepreneurs need to effectively market their products and services. InfluencerSoft makes funnel building quick and easy, taking the frustration, irritation, and guesswork out of marketing. Design custom funnels in minutes using a drag-and-drop builder that makes it easy to see traffic sources, types of pages, and email sequences at a glance. Want to launch quickly? Just choose from over 50 conversion-proven funnel templates to get your product or service out to the world ASAP. InfluencerSoft isn't just a funnel builder. It also has a learning management system, which allows you to create courses with your own branding and design. Offer free courses or paid online training with as many lesson modules as you want, all with sequential content delivery. You can even drag and drop your way to a professional-looking website or sales page and skip the technical stuff altogether. You know what they say, automation makes the world go round. Use the process mapping tool to plan out the sequence of actions you want to automate in your marketing funnel. Then, set up nurture touch points and trigger email sequences to make sure your marketing is still working even when you're not. You'll also be able to track the performance of your marketing automations with robust analytics and data, letting you make tweaks for even better success. Use InfluencerSoft's Affiliate Management Dashboard to get new affiliates into your system and set them up with swipe copy and graphics for promotion. You'll be able to customize your affiliate program settings by configuring rules, choosing the payment method, and inputting your commission percentage. You can also track affiliate clicks, referrals, sales, commissions, and payout history from one dashboard. Fumbling through a bunch of complex marketing tools to try and boost your bottom line can be about as effective as trying to get your cat to sit. With InfluencerSoft, you can build conversion-ready funnels, develop profitable course content, implement time-saving automations, and manage affiliates in the same tool. So stop making funnels hard for yourself. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to InfluencerSoft today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.